Kwesu is an organization that has the main objective to empower women. We do work with women in teaching them different skills. We do the sewing skills, we teach them the computer, we teach them even soft skills, many things that we can do with women, the soft skills. And we do organize conferences, we do support group, and we also take care of youth, where we organize soccer clubs so that the youth can come and spend some time with us. And apart from that, we do organize events where we address issues that our communities and our societies are facing. The many things that we do it as a group. We do our support group monthly, and sometimes during the week, women have to come to the center so that we can have our conversation. And that has to stop because they can no longer come to the center. We do give food parcel to the center. So during lockdown, the people who bring us food, they don't bring food anymore. So which means that our women who used to come to the center for the food parcel are no longer going to get the food parcel. The meeting of support group where we have to sit and talk and have good time is no longer happening. And the sewing center has to close because of transport. The people who are working here, the schools are closed. We produce school uniform for schools. Now the schools are closed. So which means we're no longer going to make uniform for schools, and we're no longer going to sell any product that we're making. And when there is no production, there is no income. The masks that we've been making have helped the people such as the Tagerberg Hospital, the people from MES, which is an organization that is working with the homeless people. So all the masks that we've been making has been distributed to those organizations, even other organizations as well, which is an advantage because by this time, everybody needs to be protected. But there are some people who are disadvantaged, who do not have means to have those masks. So by Kwesu making those masks, we have contributed to reach the people who are not able to have the mask by themselves. And at the same time, the people from Belleville, the people who are making those masks, are also getting some income. So this is how I see the big participation and the big contribution of Kwesu. One side helping the people protecting themselves, and on the other side, getting the income for the women. The message that I will send to the Belleville community and beyond will be, please respect the measure of safety everywhere and every time, which means wear your mask everywhere and every time, sanitize or wash your hand with soap for at least 20 seconds and regularly. And whenever in public or wherever you can find yourself, please respect social distancing. And that must be compulsory, as I was saying before. And those are the messages, and they must have hope. By respecting those things, we will keep the disease far away and not moving it around. In a short term and medium term, we will ask people to help us with material, with elastic, with scissors, with tape measures, so that we can make more masks, so that we can keep our center safe. We will need a thermometer gun screening, so that when people are coming here, we can check them, the temperature, so that we can keep everybody safe. And in the long term, we will need a big space. We need to expand so that we can serve as many people as possible.